So Kylie just posted this video yesterday. Everyone was going crazy for this lip. I'm gonna try to recreate it. So somebody does ask and she says it's Leo lip liner with Rosé and Chill gloss. I don't have Leo lip liner and I cannot find my Rosé and Chill gloss. What I do have is Posy K, which is a really pretty like mauve tone. I also have the Precision Pout shade in Cocoa, which is a deeper brown. And then I do have the same formula of the plumping gloss, but this is Moody Queen, which is more mauve. But honestly, the plumping glosses are very sheer, so the color payoff, minimal. From what I've seen, Leo is honestly a little bit of a deeper plum, a little bit of a hint of red, but it has a lot of brown in it. So I'm trying to get, I guess, a little bit more of a mauve nude version of it. So let's try. So what I've noticed is like in that, she doesn't fill her whole lip in. She lines and then she fills the corners in. So my lips are atrociously dry and honestly, how dare I expose myself like this? Because that ain't cute. Ma'am? I should have primed with my lip oil because it does give a softer blend when trying to blend the corners out. See? Oh my god. Instantly a blend. That's a look on its own. I'm gonna darken it a little bit because I'm trying to get that. I'm just trying to make it look the same. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Okay. The gloss. Is it giving? Do I look like Kylie? Guys, I'm actually very excited. Like, I feel like it's giving the same vibe. It's not as red, but that was so easy. It took me like 3 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!